Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to solve activity 3 of the same chapter, factors and multiples. If you see question number 1, the instruction is to find the common factors of the following numbers, then find their HCF. So before calculating the HCF, you should know what is HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. So how to calculate highest common factor? First of all, you will calculate the common factors of the numbers, as here 2 numbers are given. Here 3 numbers are given. So first of all, you will find out the common factors of these 2 numbers. So you find out the factors of 20, then factors of 45, then the common factors that are present in both. Then you will find out the highest common factor, the biggest one. So how to calculate? Here also I am taking the bigger number 72 and 48. So what to do? First of all, you will write 72 and as usual you will find out the factors. 2, then 2 3s are and 2 6 are. Again 2 1s are, 2 8s are. 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. Now the second one, 48. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are and 2 2s are. Then 2 6 are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. As usual, you did it. Now you will write the factors. 72 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then factors of 48. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now see, some factors are common. You can make the circle or you can draw the dash, the line only. This and this common. Again these two are common, means just like pair. Okay, you can make the pair. Here also pair is there. Here this one and this one is common. No pair for this, no pair for this. So these factors are common. Okay, so you will write common factors. Common factors equal to this 2, then these 2. So you will write once. See, for 2 numbers, 2 factors, you will write once only. Okay, for this pair you will write 1 2. For this pair you will write once only. For this pair also you will write once, and for this pair also you will write once. Now calculate it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So now this is your answer, means HCF is 24. So now you can write the answer. Answer HCF of 72 and 48 equal to 24. This is your final answer. In the same way, question number 2, the instruction is to find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So my dear children, prime factorization method is same, the same method that you have done here. Okay, only in this question, question number 2, in some parts 3 numbers are given here. No need to worry. Simply you will calculate the common factor 3 times. Okay, 48, 54, then 90 as it is written in G number question. You will find out. Then in the same way you will write the common factors like this and calculate it. Okay, let me explain one of them. Suppose G number 48, 54 and 90. First of all, you will find out the factors of 48. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, then 2 6, then 2 3, then 1. as usual. 54. Now here you will change. Understood? Here. Now 48 equal to 54 equal to and 90 equal to. Now you will write all the factors here, then mark the common ones, then you will write ones only as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, then 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, then 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So here you are having for this common factors, for this 2, then again for this 2 no pair, this 2 no pair, this 2 no pair, then for this 3 we are having, so here 3, then for 5 we are not having pair. So simply the HCF is 3 2s are 6. So your answer will be 6. So you will write HCF of 48, 54 and 90 equal to 6. This is your final answer. As I am requested to explain in Hindi, so I am explaining in Hindi also. क्या करेंगे आप? सिंपली जैसे आप फैक्टर्स आप हमेशा कैलकुलेट करते हैं, आप फैक्टर्स कम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. न्यू थिंग क्या है कि आप दोनों नंबर के या तीनों नंबर के आप फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे, फिर आप उनके पेयर बनाएंगे और वो पेयर जो होंगे उनकी जगह पर सिर्फ एक बार लिखेंगे. जैसे ये पेयर है, इसकी जगह पे टू टाइम्स ना लिखकर सिर्फ एक बार, इन दोनों की जगह एक बार, इन दोनों के लिए भी एक बार और इन दोनों के लिए भी एक बार. ऐसे ही यहाँ पर इन तीनों के लिए एक बार और इन तीनों के लिए भी एक बार लिखेंगे, फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे और HCF कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा. कोशिश की है मैंने कि शॉर्ट वीडियो बना के आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकें ताकि अपलोडिंग और डाउनलोडिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. अगर कोई क्वेरीज हैं आप पूछ सकते हैं मैसेज के थ्रू ऐप में. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन नेक्स्ट